In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a call in Salesforce efficiently and without any hassle. Whether you're following up on a proposal or just catching up with a valuable client, logging your calls in Salesforce is a great way to keep track of all your interactions and streamline your workflow. So let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure every detail is accurately recorded. Start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, you'll want to find the app launcher. It's usually located at the top left or in a drop-down menu, and it gives you access to all the different options in Salesforce. From there, click on Contacts to open up your list of contacts. Now navigate to the specific contact or lead record for which you want to log the call. Once you're in the right record, you need to find the Activity section. This is where all past interactions are stored. So scroll down until you see the activity history or simply the activity section on the record page. This is your hub for recording and viewing past activities. Next, look for the Log a Call option. It could be a button or a link, often prominently displayed to make accessing it as smooth as possible. Clicking this will open up the necessary fields for you to fill out the call details. It's crucial to get these right to maintain clear records. Start with the subject. Here, you should provide a brief description of the call. Try to be succinct but descriptive. Something like follow up on proposal works well. This helps anyone reviewing the record later to understand the purpose at a glance. In the comments section, add any relevant notes. This could include key discussion points or any action items that came out of the conversation. More detail is better here, as it enriches the record with valuable insights from your interaction. You'll also need to set the date of the call. The date automatically defaults to the current date, which is great for logging same-day calls, but if you're catching up on logs for past calls, make sure to adjust this to the correct date. There might be other fields to fill in, like the call type or disposition, which further categorize the call and can be highly useful for reporting and analysis later on. Once all the information is inputted, click the Save or Done button to finalize logging the call. This ensures that your entry is stored correctly and instantly available for future reference. I'd also like to share a couple of additional tips. If you need to log the same call to multiple contacts, you can easily do so from an account record. This can save you a lot of time if you've had a group call or similar interaction. And remember, if you find yourself logging a lot of calls, consider exploring third-party apps that integrate with Salesforce to automate this process. These apps can log calls automatically when they happen, further streamlining your workflow. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to keeping detailed and organized call records in Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and happy logging!